never really imagined. Don't kill my vibe, don't try to stop me from rapping. Don't believe in lies, cause my skin is forever black. And hold up, can't break me, never taking my glory. Author of my life and I'm still writing the story. Shooting for success, working with a full clip, taking no days off. Keep a handy on my head, reminisce over beats, every jump, every break, every snare, every symbol. Feeling them 808s, take you back to the time when girls is all we chase. We so far up out of time, out of place like rental place. Asking God if we can talk about my destiny, but knowing him, he gon' say he knows what's best for me. But also tell me, gotta find a way to get it. I gave you life, you gotta find a way to live it. Facts, and I've been grinding ever since, trying to make some change, have my logic make some sense. But the man, I'm trying to balance out the weight. Stay in your lane, you trying to take from others' plate. Take more than a couple licks, just to make a couple hits. They balance on the bits, just to make a couple hits. It's that line stuff, homie, it's rottenness. Do I gotta tell her how it is to see the pock in us? Throw up the diamond just so you can see the rock in us. Blind leading the blind, tell me who really can I trust? What?
Now I wanna take a moment to reflect on past lives. We have quote-unquote freedom because those who have fought and died. Dr. King get that speech? Yes, we all believe. Well, 663, that Jimmy still trying to achieve. I'm just saying, headshots, they taking brothers and sisters. How many songs you gotta pay for these people to get the picture? They want to steal our looks, they want to steal our sound, but when it's time to fight, they got nowhere to be. 5 minutes with them, I'm here to play. If we're to let loose, ain't waving the white flag, we ain't asking for no truce. Coming to that point, saying there ain't no forgiving, better really count your days. Trust me, the clock's ticking. Blah!